Hello guys, how are you all? Here I am on a new video in Narrabeen once more. I love this place, to be honest. I always train here. But I think today is gonna be fun. We are riding with some friends. Here is my bike. Today I'm gonna ride the last time with that rear rim because it's completely bad. Look at that. It's all dented. That is electrical tape because there is like missing like piece of rim there, so I put that tape to not damage the tire, but it's all damaged there all around, and on the other side is a bit worse too. There has several of them. So I'm riding today, and then when I finish, I take my bike to the best bike shop in Sydney, Bike and Shocks. These guys treat me really well. They do a really good service, and yeah, I will leave my rear wheel with them. They're gonna replace the rear, the rim, the spokes and all that. Yeah, I wanted to change the hoop too, but I can't afford that at the moment. But yeah, it's gonna be better. It's a good rim. It has a warranty for life, so that's a good thing. I can ride like with more confidence. So I won't be like thinking, oh, if I break it, I have to spend money on another one. So if something happens to the new one, I can get another one like in 3 days time or something like that. So it's a good deal. And yeah, guys, I want to show you something. Look at this beautiful shirt. I got it from Bike and Shocks. You know how I got it? It was my birthday the other day, and Vanessa and Cisco from Bike and Shocks gave me this beautiful shirt. And the other day, participating on the Manly Dam, the five-hour ride, Manly Dam, that was the name. I won a raffle, and I got these beautiful gloves from Lead, I don't know how to say that. And a hat too, but I left the hat at home. So yeah, I'll be riding with these clothes today. Very nice, very nice. Thank you very much, guys. I really appreciate this. Very good gear. A little bit tight, but I like it. And look at this, guys. This little detail that makes my bike to look beautiful. I got it from Bike and Shocks too.
Sometimes I forget to take my feet.
Yeah, I know. I can see.
I just focus on not hurting myself when I fall.
You can do it, Hilder! New clip pedals rider. Getting used to it.
I think I have fallen more times uphill than downhill.
Sorry?
I have fallen more times uphill than downhill.
So guys, let me introduce you, Cisco, the owner of Bike and Shocks.
Yeah, boy.
Say something, Cisco.
Oh. What?
Yeah, that's enough.
Guys going to the top.
Oh no, I'm down for it.
I'm going to the top.
Let's go. This is my first one though, but
Actually go a
it's
little
okay.
bit faster.
Try to follow Cisco.
Yeah.
Happy ending, or you wanna do?
Black Alicia.
Yeah, that one. I like that one.
We did that last
Yeah.
time. It's really fun.
Let's connect to that one maybe.
Yeah.
Going behind Cisco. Follow you, Cisco. Woo! That was sick. Oh, really good.
I didn't know you were coming that close. I just went, oh, like it.
I was trying to. Oh. Oh.
I heard it, like, I'm sure it would have looked good, but
I thought that my tire was gonna come off or something.
Yeah. No, that berm's been made for it now. Yeah.
Exactly.
I need to learn how to do it. At the moment, I'm just going around.
Yeah, more.
You just
come
have to
in
trust.
at more of an angle, and then.
Yeah, and then you have to turn like very hard.
And what do you, with your feet, more pressure into the rear?
Yeah, you have to put all your weight on the pedals and
Yeah,
just
okay.
trust in your tires and on the berm.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
have to go more straight to the berm,
Okay.
and then you like
And
compress it. Boom.
Yeah.
Compress it and
Yeah. Okay.
And no brakes.
yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, you touch the brake,
Yeah.
you have a big.
Yeah. That's these are those glasses.
Yeah.
They're good.
They're pretty good.
Vanessa, please introduce yourself. Before I tried to introduce Cisco, but he was very shy. There he is. He just say like, hi. And I'm recording. Please, you're the owner of Bike and Shocks.
Yes, with Cisco. So yeah, no, I'm Vanessa. I've been riding bike for maybe like 25, almost maybe 30 years. In Colombia, I used to race downhill over there, and basically, yeah, it's been my passion. We used to have a bike shop in Colombia, and yeah, we've been so in love with mountain biking since then. We came to Australia almost 20 years ago, and as soon as we found trails, yeah, we fell in love with this place and the beach. So we decided we wanted to stay, and now we're here.
It's a
We got
beautiful
again
plan.
another bike shop after a big process to go through heaps of stuff, and yeah, now we are. Thanks God, we've been very blessed and given the opportunity to hold this beautiful Santa
Look at that.
Cruises. And
That
then
sounds great.
Cisco, yeah, he's been so good. He's been getting a lot of experience since in mechanics, so he's pretty good at that, and I'm pretty good on the business side, so trying to, yeah, just work.
That's amazing. I'm very happy for you guys.
Thank
And guys, you have to visit this shop. It's amazing. They have the best brands. Look at that
Yeah.
bike. It's amazing.
Beautiful.
From a magazine.
Yeah.
And that one too. He got the bike from that shop.
Yeah. Those
Happy
two
customer.
bikes. Yeah, oh, thank you. Yeah.
So here we are riding. They are leaving now. They have to do some work.
Yeah, I'm heading back to work, but I already got my morning bike done. So morning ride, yeah.
Perfect. It was
Yeah.
very nice to ride with you guys. See you at the shop. We are going there.
Yeah, yeah. See you soon.
Yes.
I'm gonna head back.
Perfect.
By a mad guy.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Ready?
Yep.
Let's go. That's a good way to start. Fucking hell. That was too much. Who am I riding with here?
How are you? I'm Nicolas from Chile.
Nicolas from Chile. Yeah, boys. Same bike.
Yeah.
Same sticker. Look at that.
We are
That's
supported
sick.
by Mondrake. Yeah.
Yeah, boys.
Brothers from a different mother.
Okay, ready to go?
All good, my friend.
Let's go. Oh, my chain is off. Oh. Oh. My helmet wants to come like down with the weight of the camera.
Oh, I did it.
Yeah!
It was like
Was it easy?
in the limit.
In the limit.
Did you
That's
do
good.
it? That? I got good, man. I did.
Oh, you guys were coming fast.
He waited for me. It's fine. I just waited for him because there's a road cross, and I was like, just for him to know
Yeah,
where
yeah.
to go.
Did you like it?
Fun, this section. Yeah, man, it was really fun.
It's sick, that section.
If you do it with that rock part there is fun, right? Yeah.
Nico, so here there is a steep section like a rock garden. You turn right and you'll face two options. You have to go to the right section, right? There is a jump, but there is a beeline.
Yeah.
Let's go. So here is where I jump. I land on the downhill.
Nice.
Phew! I'm gonna wait for the guys here so they don't go to that one. Black leashes. Oh, I prefer to wait just in case because there is another trail here.
Okay, yeah. Oh man, that's intense. I lose myself.
Really?
Yeah.
Go easy, bro.
That rocky part there, that turn.
There is another tricky section here, so be mindful. Go, ready to go? Yeah. Go, ready to go. Oh, I love this trail now. Woohoo! Whoa! That was so fun. I love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Here we are, guys. Replacing my rim at Bikes and Shocks. It's amazing. Now let's get in. Hello! So here I am, guys, without my rear wheel, because the guys are gonna get it done maybe I think for next Wednesday. So that was all for today, guys. I hope you liked the video, and remember to press the like and comment and share the video, please. That helps a lot. And here I am, just packing up. Well, I'm just moving my stuff back to my house. My bike without a wheel. I'll be back next Wednesday with a new wheel. That's my bag with all the stuff. And that's it. So thank you very much. I hope you like the video and see you next time.